How to add or connect Amazon Kindle with Amazon account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon Kindle to Amazon account. So watch the video till the end. If you have just downloaded Kindle application and you would like to add it on your Amazon account, then the process is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on Kindle application from your mobile device, and then you'll end up in the login screen. The first thing you need to do is to register your Kindle when you use it for the first time. If you already have an Amazon account, you can simply type in your Amazon account credential in the text boxes. But if you don't have one, you'll need to start off and create a new Amazon account by tapping on create a new Amazon account at the bottom. But if you already have an Amazon account, go ahead to the first text box where it says email or phone number and type in your Amazon account credentials. And make sure to enter the email that you registered with Amazon. Now, head over to the password box and type in your Amazon account's password. Soon after you type in your information, you can tap on the sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll end up in the home page. Now, from the main home page, tap on the more button at the bottom right corner and now tap on settings button. Once you enter your credentials for your Amazon account, you'll be able to see that your email address is displayed right beneath send to Kindle email address option, and then you'll be able to see that you have registered Amazon Kindle to Amazon account. And that is how you can easily add your Amazon Kindle to Amazon account. Thank you all for watching it till the end and stay tuned till our next upload.